The scorching sun beats down as GraceAva steps onto the golden sands of Giza, shielding her eyes against the dazzling light. Towering before her, the Great Pyramid rises like a monument to time itself, its ancient stones whispering secrets of the past. Beside her, a local archaeologist carefully unrolls an ancient papyrus, its faded hieroglyphs hinting at a long-lost mystery. "This could be the key to something incredible," he murmurs. With eager hands, they brush away layers of sand from a hidden stone tablet, revealing a cryptic message left by a forgotten scribe. GraceAva's pulse quickens. Could this lead to a hidden chamber, a pharaoh's lost treasure, or perhaps a forgotten legend waiting to be uncovered? As she carefully matches symbols to decode the message, the past comes alive before her eyes. The air is thick with mystery, and history itself is calling her name. What will she discover next?